Hey guys, Tommy B here. I thought I'd share a few updates with what's happening with the 4G69 build. And yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please comment, please like and subscribe.
Here with Mr. Mechanic, Mr. VTAC, getting the backyard build special. You can't forget to do that when you machine it. This is us washing down the short block. It looks really bad, but we dried it off immediately, and we immediately coated the engine in engine oil after drying it off and spraying it with WD to get rid of the moisture on it. So we've spent quite a bit of time, like, you know, drying it off properly and wiping everything down. Yeah, but yeah, it came out mint.
All torqued up, 25 newton-meters with 90 degrees, and it spins beautiful.
So this is kind of where we were at when I started the video, and yeah, just to sort of delve into this a little bit. So the rods on the left are Evo 9 MR rods, and the rod on the right is the original rod from the NA 4G69. You can see there's a massive difference in the thickness of the rod, especially through the center. And you know, I ended up having to go a custom piston, which was not optimal because it took almost 18 weeks for the pistons to arrive in Australia. However, you know, that's not the end of the world. One thing that did happen, which was kind of extremely unfortunate, was I had the oil pump with the right side balance shaft in the back of the Mirage, and I think in transit when I was driving to Mechanics, you know, maybe the box has gotten bumped a bit, just because the suspension in the Mirage is really hard. So we had problems where the counterbalance shaft was hanging on the bearing, on the center bearing. This is actually, I think, the left hand side. I can't remember exactly. But what it meant was we had to do the counterbalance shaft deletes, which I was hoping to not do. I was trying to keep it all OEM. But as you guys know, you know, this is on a budget. I say budget, it's kind of blown out now, but still trying to build this relatively cheaper than like a Honda Civic K-swap or something like that. So moving onwards, I managed to score an absolute bargain. I got a Haltech PS 1000 with an Evolution 7 wiring harness. And that is like top tier shit considering what I'm doing. Obviously, like, it's the stuff of the yesteryear, you know. It's not anything compared to like an Elite or a Nexus, but for what we're going to be doing, it's absolutely perfect. And yeah, I'm very excited for that because it means it'll be easy to diagnose, it'll be easy to see what's going on, it'll be easy to wire up, you know, all those things, because I was originally going to use a Evo 7 ECU. So moving on, we did have some problems with the head gasket, but that wasn't because of the head gasket itself. The Nitto 87mm gasket, what it was actually, I'm not sure if incorrectly pressed dowel pins or just someone's got a vice grip on them or something trying to take them out. But what was happening was the head gasket was getting caught on the dowel pin on the right side, which is not great. But you know, we got through it. Yeah, we just kind of, you know, just had to fix it and get it all flat and nice. And yeah, this is a photo of the engine coming together, and this is, yeah, another few photos of basically what the engine's going to look like. So we've come a very long way, and I'm very excited. It's been a long time coming. Yeah, so just to finish up, these are the headers that are going to go on the motor, and yeah, these will be on until I obviously turbo the engine, but for now it's just going to be NA, going to wear it all in, get all the components moving, and yeah, that's where we're at. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. I know it's been, you know, it's realistically, it's been a whole year basically, and I'm only just getting the motor built, but we're getting there. I'm actually so keen for this to get built, like it's insane. There'll definitely be updates soon. Thanks guys. See you later.